Hello children. So today we'll just go ahead with the next topic, that is the birth of the Weimar Republic. So Germany was a powerful empire during the First World War period, that is 1914 to 1918. Germany entered into the First World War on August 1914 when it declared war on Russia. Otherwise it was out of the war. And on 4th of August, Britain declared a war on Germany. This is how it entered there. Then at the end of World War I, Germany's defeat and the widespread popular discontent gave rise to the German Revolution of 1918 to 1919, and as a result of which the monarchy was overthrown and Weimar Republic was established in the country. Now what is this Weimar Republic? This Weimar Republic was Germany's government from 1919 to 1933. That is after the World War period, and it was named after the town of Weimar where Germany's new government was formed by the National Assembly. So this is a short introduction to that. Here we see that the allies were the part of the allies mentioned, like England, France and Russia. Okay, they joined the group. They were there on the same side and they were looking for a quick victory. But this war stretched for a longer period of time. Then here we see one question arises, that is what was the immediate cause of USA's entry in World War II? So as we know that Japan extended its support to Hitler. It bombed the US base at Pearl Harbor, and this is how America entered into the war. This is about the Second World War, but here we are going through the First World War. Fine. So here that is the US entry, which made the group more stronger, and as a result of that the Germany was defeated there, because it opened up its war from both the sides, that is from east also, the west also. That was one of the major reason, as the historians say, for its defeat. Then as a result of its defeat, the emperor was abdicated, and the parliamentary parties, they got a chance to frame the politics of Germany, and this is how a federal structure was provided there in the country. Everyone, that is universal adult franchise, was adopted there. That means all of them, they got equal rights to vote, and this is how this form of government took place. Now another thing arises here, another question can be framed, that why this Weimar Republic was not welcomed or was not appreciated by the German people themselves. So what was the reason that they themselves did not appreciate it, they did not welcome it? So first thing is the peace treaty, the humiliating peace treaty that was signed. They were forced to accept the peace treaty that was considered humiliating. Then why was it that way considered? That is, we can see here, that is Germany lost its overseas colonies, that is a tenth of its population, 13% of its territories, 75% of its iron, and 26% of its coal to the enemy group, that is France, Poland, Denmark, Lithuania. Okay. The second point is the war guilt clause. the other party, they imposed the war guilt on Germany. That means all the losses or all the problems caused because of Germany. And that war guilt clause, it made the Germany responsible for all the damages which were because of the war, which the Allied countries had suffered. And Germany was forced to pay a compensation of 6 billion pound. The third point is the Allied armies, they occupied the resource rich area of Germany, Rhineland. So these were the 3 points which we could write down for the support of that question. And they considered as a disgrace to their country. That is why many of the people, they opposed this Weimar Republic. Thank you.